In the vast landscape of African hip-hop, Mcpotar emerges as a prophet of the poetic, a messenger sent by the divine forces to articulate the struggles and triumphs of our people. His verses are not mere rhymes, they are scriptures etched with the ink of experience, the gospel of the streets translated into the lyrical language of truth. Much like Malcolm X, who stood as a formidable voice for justice and empowerment, Mcpotar's rhymes are a call to action.
I'm tryna blow up Kaput. Rappers fall short cause they act as Kapfup. Rappers gossiping about my whack Muma group while I'm signing checks to invest with my youth. Yeah, that's why I'm back in the booth with their necks on their noose, and I'm back to produce the most solid records. Is a fact, it's a truth. I'm making real profit and I cash in the proof. If you really wanted to connect to the roots or collect all the books, I guess the raps is the loot. If you really know that I'm the man to salute, and I stepped off the stoop to be level to you, I guess I'm tryna be humble. Don't flip on me, I'm a lion in the jungle. Shumba ye musango, di chambo. Kuroba ne musambo sa denzo. Whoever thinks di mambo oita suicidal ojisungira ne tambo. My chick big cup, ndine simbi kunge kango. Give haters a jump, sana skippy murikango. The way I flip the schemes, why you tripping di ribambo? Njavanguva ye mamango, you want the crown. When there's not in a mango, I run the town. Diri tano diri anko. She loved my sound, but ane drama sa muvango. Andina hits a musician, ndine chando. My words are cold, ndine justice cause it's just that you can't afford to pay attention, kinda half price. And this monya, dino kwana kuma tough guys. Ndagasiya zwe jolo, I've been cut twice or more. Hustling for money so we just rise or so. Make it from your feet to on the feet, but for sure. Genga roku chera Muma street ne for sure. Israel military riba hasha wana ichi bomba Gaza nema bomba ane phosphorus. Takatiza hustle ready from across borders. Taking back the life markers, not for us. You dig? It's been painful, but we're here, we're winning. Mcpotar, your boy. Long live Manor. Keep doing your thing.